South Gujarat has witnessed a new era of progress and has become a witness to many historic moments. From textiles to diamonds, South Gujarat has tied the entire nation together with threads of unity and prosperity. The brilliance of Surat's diamond industry shines across the world. Its strong textile and chemical industries have made significant contributions to India's pharmaceutical and manufacturing sectors. Its ports have strengthened India's export capabilities, making South Gujarat one of the key pillars of the nation's economic prosperity and self-reliance. The vision of a developed India by 2047, envisioned by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, is moving forward with great momentum from the land of South Gujarat. The pace of development in South Gujarat is becoming even faster. Today, South Gujarat's journey of development is reaching new heights and taking flight toward a brighter future. Development projects worth more than 18,000 crore rupees are being inaugurated and launched. These include important projects of the National Highways Authority of India worth over 12,000 crore rupees, including significant packages of the Vadodara-Mumbai Expressway. Work on packages along National Highway 56, stretching from the banks of the Narmada River to the forest regions of the area, will strengthen connectivity through modern national highways. Under the Energy and Petrochemical Department, projects worth more than 4,950 crore rupees include a large transmission network connecting Surat and Navsari, enhancing the power grid capacity and stability of South Gujarat. Projects worth 1,063 crore rupees under GIDC, Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation, will modernize industrial areas such as Ankaleshwar, Panoli, Dahej, Sarigam, and Jhagadia with improved roads, drainage systems, and waste management infrastructure. Under the Health and Family Welfare Department, a 100-bed sub-district hospital and a 50-bed Ayush hospital will be established in Surat. These facilities will bring modern medicine and traditional healing together on a single campus. Projects worth 107 crore rupees under the Urban Development Department include stormwater drainage systems and sewage treatment plants. Their inauguration makes this program even more memorable, especially as it is being organized on the occasion of World Environment Day. Through Prime Minister Modi's Mission Life initiative, awareness about environmental conservation has spread among people not only in India but across the world. Natural color rangolis are being created to spread the message of love for nature, and saplings are being distributed to increase green cover through the Panchvati initiative. With the spirit of progress and harmony with nature, and with the resolve of a developed Gujarat contributing to a developed India, the region is moving forward with full energy and determination.